Welcome back. Today we are making American grilled hobo dinner foil packets, a cheap and hearty cookout meal with smoky sausage, potatoes, carrots, and onions. It is worth making because everything grills together in one packet, the cleanup is easy, and the flavor feels like summer camping. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 45 minutes. Let us walk through the budget-friendly ingredients, starting with 12 ounces smoked sausage. It brings smoky flavor and satisfying protein without a high price. Choose any basic fully cooked smoked sausage you like. 1 1/2 pounds russet potatoes make the packets filling and comforting. Russets are inexpensive, grill well, and soak up all the smoky seasoning. 2 carrots add sweetness, color, and a little freshness. Slice them thin enough so they become tender at the same time as the potatoes. 1 yellow onion melts into the packet and gives the vegetables that classic diner-style savory sweetness. Cut it into wedges so it softens but does not disappear. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil help the potatoes brown and keep everything juicy inside the foil. A neutral oil is perfect here because the sausage and spices bring the flavor. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the vegetables from the start. It helps the potatoes taste savory all the way through. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a gentle bite. Freshly ground pepper is great, but regular ground pepper works just fine. 1 teaspoon garlic powder gives the packets that familiar cookout flavor with no chopping needed. It spreads evenly over every bite. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika deepens the grill flavor and gives the potatoes a warm red color. It is a small ingredient that makes the whole packet taste more special. 2 tablespoons chopped parsley finish the packets with a fresh pop. It keeps the final plate bright after all that smoky grilling. We begin by heating the grill to medium heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set out 4 large sheets of heavy-duty foil on the prep table so the packets are ready to fill. Now that the grill is heating, cut 1 1/2 pounds russet potatoes into 1/2 inch pieces. Keep the pieces small so they cook through inside the foil. Add the potato pieces to a large bowl. Giving them room in the bowl makes it much easier to coat everything evenly in oil and seasoning. Slice 2 carrots into thin coins, about 1/4 inch thick. Add them to the bowl with the potatoes so they cook alongside the denser pieces. Cut 1 yellow onion into wedges and separate the layers slightly. Add the onion to the bowl so it can soften and sweeten as the packet steams. Slice 12 ounces smoked sausage into thick coins, about 1/2 inch each. Add the sausage to the bowl so every packet gets plenty of smoky bites. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. The oil helps carry the seasonings and encourages the potatoes and sausage to brown where they touch the hot foil. Season the bowl with 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. This simple spice mix gives the packets their savory American cookout flavor. Toss everything until the potatoes, carrots, onion, and sausage are evenly coated. Take a moment here, because even coating means every packet tastes the same. Divide the mixture evenly among the 4 foil sheets. Keep the piles in the center, with the potatoes spread in a single loose layer as much as possible. Bring the long sides of each foil sheet together and fold them down tightly. Fold the short ends up to seal each packet, leaving a little room inside for steam. Place the packets seam side up on the hot grill. Close the lid and grill for 15 minutes so the vegetables start to steam and the sausage begins to brown. After 15 minutes, carefully flip the packets with tongs. Close the lid again and grill for 10 more minutes to finish the potatoes and caramelize the edges. Now check one packet safely by opening the foil away from your face. Pierce a potato with a fork. If it is not tender, reseal the packet and grill for 5 more minutes. When the potatoes are tender, move the packets off the grill and let them rest for 3 minutes. This short rest calms the steam and makes them easier to open. Open the packets carefully, always folding the foil away from you. The sausage should be hot, the onions soft, and the potatoes tender with lightly browned edges. Finish the cooking by sprinkling 2 tablespoons chopped parsley over the open packets. The grilled foil packet dinner is ready, hot, smoky, and simple. And there it is, a smoky, hearty, budget-friendly American grilled foil packet dinner that delivers big cookout flavor without a big grocery bill. Serve 1 packet per person, spooned onto a plate while it is hot. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple meals.